Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover waiting message on WhatsApp. So actually it is very easy. I'll show you several ways of how you can fix the problem. And first of all, if we open the WhatsApp and choose the chat where we have this waiting message, the first thing we can do is to simply contact the sender. So we can ask the sender to open WhatsApp and help the message get encrypted, or just simply resend the message. So please open WhatsApp and send the message once again, something like that. So we can just type him this message and he will resend the message, or just make sure that it is sent to us. The second way of how we can fix the problem, if the problem still persists, is to simply close the WhatsApp and go to the settings on our device. So we need to make sure that we have stable internet connection, because this may be the reason why the message is loading. So simply click on the Wi-Fi right now. Click on the Wi-Fi and choose the Wi-Fi that is connected to the internet, or you can just simply turn off and turn on Wi-Fi from after some few seconds. Now go back and go to the mobile service. You can turn off mobile service as well for several seconds and then turn it on again. And the last step is to simply go and toggle on airplane mode and then turn it off. So by these simple steps, you'll reload all the connections on your device, and then you can go to the WhatsApp and check if the problem is gone or not. If the problem still persists, the next thing I'll suggest you to do is you need to open the App Store on your device and search for the WhatsApp. So click on the search icon in the bottom right corner and search here for the WhatsApp application. Once it will find the WhatsApp, you need to click on it and make sure that you are using the latest version of the WhatsApp. Otherwise, you need to update it, because maybe this problem is due to the old version of WhatsApp you are using. So simply click on the update button and wait for the update to be completed. And the last step I'll suggest you to do is you need to close the App Store and go to basically to the browser that you are using and type in the search bar down detector WhatsApp. So something like that. Wait a little bit and go to the downdetector.com. WhatsApp down or not working, the first link here. Just scroll a little bit and see if there are problems with the WhatsApp right now. As you can see in the bottom, you will see some comments that people are leaving. If they have the similar problem that you have, so everyone complaining about the servers that WhatsApp is not working, then it means that there are some problems with the server. This is not from your side, and you need to just wait a little bit and the problem will be resolved by the developers. And the last thing I'll suggest you to do is you need to simply go to the settings and scroll down just a little until you will find General. So click on it. Now go to the iPhone storage and find in this list the WhatsApp. So now we will simply try to delete the cache. So click on the WhatsApp here. As you can see, it is like a folder, so we need to just search for the WhatsApp in the search bar. So type in WhatsApp. So now we will need to simply offload the app. So that's how we will delete the cache of the application, because cache may be also the reason why you get this type of problem. So click on offload app and then confirm the action clicking on offload app again, and then reinstall the app from the same screen, and that is definitely will help with your problem. And basically that is it. That is how you can recover waiting message on WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.